this crusty, dusty ass center console lid. Oh my god. I am gonna rip it off and try to redo the fabric on here because this is just disgusting and tough stuff doesn't help. Alright. I don't know where to put this thing, but hopefully. Let's see. The pin probably here because these ones have like a little rod. I'm just gonna squeeze this and pop this rod out. Maybe I should have moved my seat up first. There we go. And here we go. Now it's time to create a new one. Alright. I am just going to put some E6000 right here to kind of re-secure this thing down. Because I don't want it to pop back up. That would suck. Obviously my dude didn't secure that thing good. Let me go get a glove. Let me just squeeze a bit more. Why do I feel like this is... Maybe I should just use a fucking hot glue. But then again, if I use a hot glue when it's summertime, it'll probably heat up and then melt and crap. Let's get this piece real good right here. Alright. Let me get the edges. And then I'll just use that old piece of fabric that I took off as my template when I make my new one. I'm excited about this. This is like one of the parts on my truck that like... Alright darlings, here she is. I'm installing her back on there. Alright, she's all done. This was like the best little upgrade I've done. Like, look at her. She's good. She's cute. She's flush. Ah.